What if I told you that 7 days from now, you could wake up as a completely different person? Not richer overnight, not suddenly famous, but mentally stronger, more disciplined, more confident, and more in control than you've ever been. Most people think change takes years, but the truth is, transformation begins the moment you decide. And I'm giving you a 7-day challenge that can shift your entire life if you take it seriously. For the next 7 days, you are not allowed to be the old version of yourself. No excuses. No, I'll start tomorrow. You start now. Day 1 is about cutting the noise. Your life feels overcrowded. Today, you clean your space, your room, your desk, your phone, your social media. Delete the apps that waste your time. Unfollow the accounts that make you compare your life to others. Throw away what you don't need. When your environment is clean, your thoughts become clear. And clarity is power. You cannot build a focused life in a distracted environment. Day 2 is about your body. You don't need a gym membership. You need discipline. Wake up earlier than usual. Even 30 minutes earlier is enough. Move your body. Do push-ups. Go for a run. Stretch. Anything that makes your heart beat faster. Drink more water. Eat better today. When you take control of your body, you automatically take control of your mind. Energy creates confidence, and confidence changes how you walk, talk, and think. Day 3 is about your mind. Most people feed their brain junk every day. Endless scrolling, gossip, negativity. Today, you feed it growth. Read 10 pages of a good book. Listen to something educational. Spend at least 15 minutes alone without your phone. Just think. Ask yourself hard questions. Where am I going? What am I avoiding? What habits are destroying my potential? Self-awareness is uncomfortable, but it's necessary. You can't fix what you refuse to face. Day 4 is about courage. There's something you've been avoiding. A call you need to make. A skill you need to start learning. A dream you keep postponing. Today, you take action, even if it's small. Send the message, start the project, apply for that opportunity. Fear shrinks the moment you confront it. Confidence isn't something you wait for. It's something you build by doing hard things. Day 5 is about discipline. Motivation will not save you. Feelings will not carry you. Discipline will. Today, you keep every promise you make to yourself. If you say you'll wake up at 6, you wake up at 6. If you say you'll work for 1 hour without distractions, you do it. No negotiation with your lazy side. Every time you follow through, you build trust with yourself. And once you trust yourself, your standards rise. You stop tolerating mediocrity. Day 6 is about your circle. Look around you. Who are you spending time with? Are they helping you grow or keeping you comfortable? Energy is contagious. If you can't change your circle immediately, change what you consume. Listen to people who inspire you. Watch content that teaches you something. Distance yourself from constant negativity. Protect your energy like your future depends on it. Because it does. Day 7 is about vision. Sit down with a notebook and write clearly what you want your life to look like 1 year from now. Be specific. How much money do you want to earn? What habits do you want to master? What kind of person do you want to become? Then be honest with yourself. If you continue living the way you are today, will you reach that vision? If the answer is no, then change is not optional. It's necessary. Here's the truth. This challenge is not about being perfect for 7 days. It's about proving to yourself that you are capable of control, capable of focus, capable of growth. In just 1 week, you can break bad patterns and create new standards. And standards shape destiny. Most people will watch this and feel motivated for 5 minutes. Then they'll scroll to the next video and forget everything. Don't be most people. Be different. Be serious. Take this personally. Your future is not a joke. Your potential is not average. But it will stay buried if you don't act. Imagine yourself 7 days from now. Waking up earlier. Thinking clearer. Moving with confidence. Taking action without hesitation. That version of you is not a fantasy. It's a decision. So here's what I want you to do. Right now, before this video ends, go to the comments and write, "I accept the 7-day challenge." Make a commitment publicly. Hold yourself accountable. Share this video with someone who needs a wake-up call. And if you're serious about changing your life, subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. Because this is not just motivation. This is transformation. 7 days. No excuses. No delays. Your new life starts now.